10. 10 po. Type 10, type 10 if we're ready. Kung nakatutok na po tayo, Understanding Lean Body Mass by Coach Rafi Rivas. Type 10 naman po if we are all ready. Tawagin na po natin siya.
All right, perfect Saturday. So yes, bago po tayo magsimula sa ating special topic, ako po ay magpapakilala po muna. I'm Coach Rafi Rivas, 39 years young. Ako po ay taong gising sa gabi since ang work ko po ay isang virtual assistant, US support sa isang US-based company. So dating overweight, madalas masakitin ng likod at mainitin ng ulo dahil sa kakulangan sa tulog at maling lifestyle. So, nag-start kami gumamit ng Herbalife products 4 years ago. So, we simply replace our breakfast with Alutein shake, and that decision that decision completely transformed my life. So, napakalaki po nang nawala sa akin. Sobrang obvious naman sa picture dun sa aking transformation, no? So, I lost over 30 pounds. And from size 34 noon, ngayon size 29 na lang ang bewang. So, I gained more energy and found myself enjoying sports and physical activity. At syempre, patuloy na sinishare ang power of nutrition. So, alright. At syempre, no, maliban dun sa healthy breakfast na na-mention ko, favorite supplements ko po ang NRG to sustain and maintain ang high energy and mental alertness. At ang bagong-bagong Immune Leaf with multi-level immune defense support. So again, all glory to God for this wellness journey, and that's why I love Herbalife. Alright. Let's go back to our topic. Hold on.
Yes, hold on po. We're sharing it right now. Thank you. Konting naging delay lamang sa ating tech part. Thank you, thank you. Let me
Alright,
just share
okay,
your
so all
slide.
right. So by the way, ang ating special topic for this morning is understanding lean body mass. Yan po ay from Susan Bowerman, our Senior Director Worldwide Nutrition, Education, and Training. Alright, pakita lang natin mabilis. Yan po ang aking transformation. Alright. Ngayon, manonood lang po tayo ng isang mabilis 1 minute and 38 seconds na video ni Susan Bowerman. So habang pinapanood po natin yan, ako po mag-aalog muna ngayon ng shake. So naway kayo din po ay ginagawa din to kung nasan man kayo ngayon. Alright, let's wait for a few seconds and we will play the video.
Lean body mass. Let's explore what this term really means. I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and sometimes I hear people use the terms lean body mass and muscle mass interchangeably, but they're not quite the same thing. So let's explain. First of all, why do we care about lean body mass at all? Well, the amount of lean body mass that you have determines your resting metabolic rate. That's the number of calories that you burn at rest in 24 hours. So, the more lean body mass you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate. So, what is lean body mass? If you think of your body as being divided up into two parts, one part's fat and the other part is everything else. That's your lean body mass. Now, muscle mass is part of your lean body mass, but so is your bone mass, all your organs, including your skin, all the fluids in your body. So again, everything that's not fat is your lean body mass. So what we say is that every pound of lean body mass that you have burns about 14 calories per day, or every kilogram of lean body mass that you have burns about 30 calories per day. So when you're talking about resting metabolic rate, it's more correct to say that it's based on your lean body mass, not your muscle mass.
Alright, perfect. May nakuha ba tayo dun sa 1 minute and 38 seconds na video ni Susan Bowerman? Kung medyo mabilis yun, gagawin ko po ang aking best to explain kung ano yung nandun sa video. So going back to my slide. So una sa lahat, what is lean body mass? So everything in your body that is not fat, yan po yung lean body mass. So that includes bones, organs, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and fluids. So iba to sa fat mass, no? So made of completely different tissues. So ngayon, paano ba natin ma-explain ng mas madali yung lean body mass? So imagine niyo po, meron po ang ating katawan ay isang malaking toy box. So lahat naman tayo familiar sa isang toy box o sa mga toys, no? So yung toys that represents yung muscles, bones, water, and organs. At dun sa toy box na yon, meron ding kasamang stuffing. So yun yung tinatawag na body fat. So pag may nagsabi sa inyo, your lean body mass is going up, so it means you're getting more toys, you're getting stronger muscles and healthier bones, and not just adding yung mga stuffing or yung body fats, no? All right. So ano nga bang katotohanan between muscle versus fat? So sabi dito, muscle cannot turn into fat and fat cannot turn into muscle. So if you stop training or doing physical activities, muscles shrinks and mas lalong nagiging visible yung mga taba-taba sa ating katawan. So ngayon, Coach, paano naman natin malalaman yung ating lean body mass at fat mass? So bigyan ko kayo ng tatlong pamamaraan, no, kung paano natin yan makikita or malalaman. So una sa lahat, meron tayong tinatawag na skin pinches or calipers. So ito yung merong parang maliit na tool na sinusukat yung mga bilbil natin or yung mga fats natin sa arms and sa mga legs natin. Alright, so yung pangalawa naman, meron tayong tinatawag na DEXA scans. So DEXA. Ito yung isang super scanners. Saan ba natin to may encounter? Sa mga hospital lang po, no? And just to give you a price range kung magkano yung DEXA scans, that's between 6,000 to 8,000 po. Alright, so at syempre, yung pangatlo, meron tayong tinatawag na body composition analysis. So, meron specialized weighing scale. At syempre, dito po papasok ang value ng ating Herbalife wellness coach, no? So, just to give you an idea, itong body composition analysis, kung pupunta po kayo sa hospital, ang price range po niyan sa isang adult na magpapa-body composition will be between 5,000 to 6,000. But meron na akong good news sa inyo. So, gaya ng sinabi ko, dito papasok ang value ng ating Herbalife Wellness Coach. So, sa mga bago dito at sa mga makakapanood ng replay na itong special topic na to, so, balikan nyo po ang nag-invite sa inyo. Look for a Herbalife Wellness Coach, or you can go to the Nutrition Club. Bakit? Dahil ito po ay libre naming binibigay sa mga nangangailangan. Itong body composition analysis. So meron tayong tinatawag na specialized weighing scale or tinatawag na Tanita. So familiar tayo sa mga Herbalife Wellness Coach. Ganito po itsura niyan. Kita ba? Yan. At ang makukuha po natin dito is hindi lang yung ating weight or body weight. It includes a wellness evaluation and survey. So meron tayong makukompute dito ang ating body fat, visceral fat, bone mass, yung ating RMR or resting metabolic rate, physique rating, and water percentage. Alright, so ito yung pinaka best option para sa lahat, bata, matanda, to go to your Herbalife Wellness Coach para dito sa ating body composition analysis. All right? So, to understand more kung paano nakukuha yung lean body mass and fat mass using the specialized weighing scale. So, for example, if you weigh 70 kilograms and yung body fat percentage lalabas po yan sa weighing scale or yun sa Tanita, for example, 20%. So para makuha yung fat mass, yan po ay 20% of 70 kilograms. So ang equivalent po niyan is 14 kilograms. So again, yan yung fat mass mo. Ngayon yung total body weight mo na 70 kilograms, ibabawas mo lang yung 14 kilograms na fat mass at yun po yung equivalent mo ng lean body mass. But anyway, just like what I said, just go back to the person who invited you, Herbalife Wellness Coach, or you can visit the nearest nutrition club po. All right. So going back to our next slide. So na-mention ko yan. yung what is resting metabolic rate or RMR. So the calories your body burns at rest in 24 hours. So again, more lean body mass equivalent to higher RMR. And RMR is based on total lean body mass, not just muscle mass. So coach, paano ko naman ma-explain yung RMR na yan, resting metabolic rate? So okay, so ganito ano. So imagine your body is like a cell phone or a mobile phone. So kung hindi natin ginagamit yung ating mobile phone, lalagay lang natin yan sa table. So yung battery will stay on at by the time nakakailanganin natin siya, so yung application or even yung clock inside that phone is still working. So yung resting metabolic rate or RMR is like the battery used for our body. So it's the energy your body uses just to keep you alive when you're resting. So syempre, habang nagpapahinga tayo or natutulog, you're still breathing, keeping your heart beating, and keeping you warm. So even you're just lying down doing nothing, so it's your body's quiet energy burn. So yun yung resting metabolic rate. All right. So next is calories burned by lean body mass. So papakita lang dito yung computation for pounds. So each 1 pound of lean body mass burns about 14 calories per day. Sa kilograms naman is 30 calories per day. So again, more lean mass, more calories burned even at rest. Siyempre, isa to sa mga gusto ko ring i-discuss sa ating lahat no, bakit kailangan natin mag-maintain ng lean mass? Alright, so sabi dito, resistance training preserves muscles and boosts metabolism, support bones, organs, posture, and daily strength. Helps keep your body composition healthy over time. So additional information, bigyan ko kayo ng 5 bagay kung bakit nga natin kailangan mag-maintain ng lean mass. So una, you can run, jump, and play better. So our muscles are like engines in your toy cars. So the bigger and stronger they are, the faster and smoother you can go. And pangalawa, you're harder to break. So strong bones and muscles are like superheroes armor. They protect you if you fall or bump into something. So, example natin dyan, ang ating pambansang kamao, si Manny Pacquiao at 46 years old. Imagine niyo, napakahirap niya patumbahin ngayon sa previous na laban niya. Hindi siya tumumba dahil sa kanyang magandang lean body mass, no? Harder to break. So, pangatlo is you burn more energy even when resting. Pang-apat is you can carry more groceries or lift more toys. So, more lean body mass means you can lift heavy stuff without feeling like a noodle. At ang pang-5, pinaka-importante sa lahat, you stay healthier longer. So, muscles and strong organs help fight off sickness and keep your body running like a well-oiled robot. So, in short, again, more body lean mass, more power, more protection, more energy, and of course, more fun. All right. Ngayon, isa rin to sa mga gusto kong i-discuss sa atin, no? And how Herbalife products can help. So ito po yung ating mga recommendations. Una sa lahat, ang ating Formula 1 meal replacement shakes. So it has a balanced protein, carbs, vitamins, easy, convenient, nutrient balanced meal. At meron din tayo tinatawag na Herbalife 24, ang ating rebuild strength. So pang post-workout, protein blend for recovery. Again, para sa lahat to, kasi lahat naman tayo can do physical activities, kahit walking lang, jogging. That is already considered a physical activity, no? So I encourage everyone to use this rebuild strength. All right. Next is ang ating herbal tea concentrate. So it supports or enhances metabolism and energy. So pag nakainom ka talaga ng ating herbal concentrate, type 1 nga po tayo dito kung sino nakaka-experience ng wala ka namang ginagawa pero kakainom mo lang ng ating tea, pinagpapawisan ka na. So dahil dyan, it enhance yung metabolism at syempre yung energy natin for that day, no? Ngayon, meron din tinatawag na multi-born supplement. However, hindi ito available sa Philippines, but ito ay available sa US and it support fat reduction and energy expenditure. All right. Oh, by the way, no, you need to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement. Just a quick reminder for that one. So again, key takeaways po natin is lean body mass is equals bones, organs, muscles, fluids, hindi fat, hindi kasama si fat. And higher lean mass boosts resting metabolic rate, maintain lean mass through resistance training and nutrition. So remind ko lang po kayo ng ating 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. At ang Herbalife products can support your nutrition plan. Right. So again, speaking of Herbalife products, ang isa sa mga paborito ko po ang ating Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix. Napakababa ng calories, 90 calories, 9 grams protein. So nakakatulong talaga to para ma-maintain natin ang lean body mass natin, ang lean muscles natin sa katawan. At syempre meron tong 19 vitamins and minerals. Syempre, pwede nating dagdagan yan kung meron kang tina-target, kung gusto mo ng medyo madagdagan ang muscle ng ating katawan, pwede mong dagdagan ng personalized protein powder. So it has 5 grams total protein per tablespoon. Alright? At syempre, no, sa mga mahilig sa kape at gustong-gusto to sa merienda, lagi ko tong ginagamit at iniinom. So we have the high protein iced coffee, 15 grams of protein, zero sugar, pero buhay na buhay ka, ito lang ang kape na may vitamins and minerals and nutrients. Alright. At syempre, ang ating rebuild strength, Herbalife 24. Imagine 24 grams of super high quality whey and casein protein on 190 calories per serving. Tignan nyo naman, help supports lean body mass. Alright, syempre, saan ba natin yan makukuha? Dito lang yan. Huwag na kayo tumingin sa iba dahil tayo ay number 1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management, and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Alright, and syempre, sabay-sabay po natin i-shout out. Nakikita ko po kayo sa screen, so sabay-sabay tayo mag-say yes to good nutrition. So I'm so proud to mention Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. Alright, so naway meron po kayong napulot or natutunan sa umagang ito. So again, I encourage you sa mga bago at sa mga makakapanood nito to go to a nutrition club and go back to the person who invited you, talk to a Herbalife wellness coach. And I'm looking forward to see you guys again sa mga susunod na special topic po natin. And of course, back to you, to my beautiful wife, Lori Rivas.
Yes, thank you so much.